Hey everybody, it's Neil and I've got my MacBook and I'm always looking for new power adapter cords and stuff like that. I always need cords. For some reason I always lose them. But I got this one here. Okay, you girls have to move aside for a second. And this one here is it right here. It is PD 100 watts. This is gonna be a 100 watt USB to USB-C cable. And let's see it here. So we have, let me get all the parts, pieces and parts out. So it will support USB-A to USB-C and USB-C to USB-C, I guess. So, we get two of them. So we have this one and this one. It looks like this one's gonna be a little shorter than this one. Let me just see what we got here. Does it have a USB-A to USB-C and USB-C to USB-C? Well, these are all C to C. Okay, let's see. And I'll explain to you why I got them here in a second. So check this out. So this is one of them. This is, I guess, 6 feet. And so it's got the plug right there, so it plugs in like normal. Yeah, I got an adapter here, I'll just show you on that. So, yeah, this one here is just a straight on plug, right? So just like your regular wire. But then when it's going into my laptop, I can do this and turn it to the side. So, like here, when I'm in my laptop, excuse me, it just kind of goes like that. So it'll go alongside that way or that way, and it won't get in the way of everything. So how cool is that? Really nice little design there. And then if you wanted to go into a USB-A, port, you could just, use that converter right there. That's kind of cool. It comes with a cute little, stringy thing. So that's it. So you have this one here that is like 6 feet. Let's see how long this is. This one here is about 3 feet, 4 feet, 3 feet probably. It's probably half the size. Let's see. Yeah, it's half the size, so it's gonna be 3 feet. So, and it's got the same little curvy bottom at the end too. And these are 100 watt ones, so these will get you lots of power. So super cool. I like it. Thumbs up from me. Pick up some of these by EndlesShine. There you go.